Hey guys.
I can't even think of any movie ideas or that are remotely funny. Hey Shane Dawson. Oh my god, I'm about to sneeze.
Guys, I can't stop. I can't contain myself from laughing. It's so wrong in many ways. My 9.0 earthquake in Japan video on Comedy Freak 124. There's this part where I sneezed and it was by accident, and I said Shane Dawson. Oh my god, I can't contain myself from laughing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna watch it over and over again to see if I can contain my laughter. All right, ready, set, go.
And so depressed that I can't even think of any movie ideas or that are remotely funny. Hey Shane Dawson. Oh my god, I'm about to sneeze. Oh my god.
Alright, one more time. No, 3 more times, okay. Back to... It's so wrong. It's just... Oh man, I feel like I'm high right now. Do I look high? I don't know, I can't really tell. So, 3 more times, and if I can't contain my laughter, I am a complete moron. Just viewing the screen, not my face.
That describes depressed.
Okay.
And so
I could do
depressed
this.
that I can't even think of any movie ideas or that are remotely funny. Hey Shane Dawson.
Oh my god. Do you find that hilarious? Oh my god. I can't do this. Oh my god. One more time.
Ideas or they're remotely funny. Hey Shane Dawson. Oh my god, I'm about to sneeze. Oh my god. I'm a little sick, I'm sorry.
Okay, I did it. I can't. Okay. Bye, guys.